Hi everyone, Bridget here. Today it's a very simple steamed banana and walnut cake. This is very easy. You need just basic ingredients of flour, eggs, butter, 2 overripe bananas, some chopped walnuts, sugar. Give you all the ingredients later. So you mash the bananas well, then mix all the ingredients together. Transfer it into a nice container that goes into your pressure cooker. Cover with foil and pressure cook for maybe like 15 minutes. Then you switch off, let the pressure settle, and your steamed banana cake is ready. Now this steamed cake is not as soft as a baked cake. So if you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel.